In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create board rule automations in Trello with an easy step-by-step guide. Automating processes in Trello can save you a ton of time and keep your projects running smoothly. So let's dive in and make your Trello boards work harder for you. First, we're going to head over to the Trello website, open up your browser and type in trello.com. Once you're there, you'll see an option that says login at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. Trello offers two ways for logging in. You can either use your email, or for a little more convenience, you can opt for logging in with your Google account. Choose what works best for you and get yourself logged in. Now that you're logged in, navigate to the boards section located on your Trello homepage. Under your workspaces, select the board you wish to automate. This is where the magic starts to happen. With your board open, look for the automation button. It's usually located at the top menu of your board. Clicking on this will take you to the automations page where you'll select rules. This is the spot where you can begin creating the automation rules that will help streamline your workflow. Next, click on Create Automation. You'll start by adding a trigger, so click on plus add trigger. For our demonstration today, let's choose card move, which is one of the most common triggers. When you select a trigger, you're defining the event that will set your automation into motion. Once you've chosen your trigger, don't forget to click the plus button to add it. Now it's time to define what happens after the trigger. Click on Move to select your action. Here, we'll stick to the first action for simplicity. Again, click the plus button to add this action to your automation. You'll notice there's a list name drop down. This is where you'll specify which list on your board the action should affect. Select the necessary list that fits your process requirements. Once you've selected your list, don't overlook clicking the plus button to finalize the action. Finally, to wrap things up, click on Save. This will ensure that your newly created automation rule is active and ready to be executed. And there you have it. With just these few steps, you've successfully created a board rule automation in Trello. It's a powerful way to keep things organized and running efficiently without having to manually manage every task. Thanks for joining me, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Trello tips and productivity hacks.